Now, properties of the graphene. Okay, so mechanical properties. The strongest materials, graphene has an ultimate tensile strength of about 130 gigapascal. It's not a megapascal, it's a gigapascal, right? Most of the time, whatever the strength value we see that are in a unit of megapascal, but here it is a gigapascal. I mean 1,000 times more, right? Gigapascal is just 1,000 times more than gigapascal is known as megapascal is known as gigapascal, making it the 200 times stronger than steel. Now you can and think about how stronger it is. It is just 200 times stronger than steel. Though steel is having very high strength, but still, you know, it is very low in terms of, in comparison with the graphene. So the lightweight with the density of 0.077 milligram per meter cube. So it is very light because they are having very less density. Graphene is one of the lightest known material, as I already discussed in the in the definitions. Flexible and stretchable, can be stretched up to the 220% of its original size without breaking. So without breaking, we can have stretch it about 20%. So you can say it's a ductile material, right? Without breaking. So the material which can be stretched on applying the load without failure, then it is known as a ductile. If they can have the more stretchable capability, then it is known as the more ductile. And if they are material which cannot sustain the applied load and without getting stretched, they break suddenly, it's known as brittle material. Okay.